The misuse of substances such as alcohol, marijuana, cocaine, cannabis, inhalants, among other drugs, is a rising menace in the world, Nigeria inclusive. According to a report by the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes, around 275 million people used drugs worldwide in the last year, while over 36 million people suffered from drug use disorders. The National Drug Use Survey in 2018 revealed that in Nigeria there are around 14.3 million drug users, of which close to 3 million suffered from a drug use disorder. Drug abuse, according to health experts, can contribute to harmful short and long-term health risks, which can result to memory loss and social problems. In Akure, a clinical psychologist, Evelyn Onibi, highlighted some of the factors responsible for drug abuse and measures to stamp out the menace from society.
Some people, they grow up to be we call them the anxious and the fearful, so that they will be bold, so that they will be able to face life. Sometimes they go into substance abuse. So it simply means they cannot handle stress. They can't handle failure. And you see that at the end of the day, maybe when they fail or whatever, they go into substance abuse. So I discovered that a lot of people, they have reasons. Don't just say, leave it. Why can't we go deep down and find out the reasons, the factors why people are going into it and begin to address them?
The Ondo State Commander, National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, Mr. Kayode Raji, noted that the agency is on the forefront of a fight against drug abuse and illicit drug trafficking in the state. He assured that the agency is addressing the challenge in Ondo State despite the constraints.
Between June 2021 and May 2022, we've seized over 30 tons, that's 30,000 kilograms of assorted drugs. And of course, we have arrested quite a number of suspects. In the period under review, 294 suspects were arrested. We go to schools to teach the students drug abuse is evil. Don't even try it. For those who have not started. And for those who have started, we teach them what we call coping skill, how to get out of the quagmire and live a normal life. And for those who are already destroyed by these drugs, who are already dependent on the drugs, we have a rehabilitation center.
The Chief Medical Director, Neuropsychiatric Hospital Akure, Dr. Akinwumi Akinoye, emphasized the negative impact of the use of illicit drugs and advised the public to exercise caution.
The number of individuals coming down with mental health problem as a result of the use of these substances keep rising in recent time. Have not less than 70% of the male patients in our facility at Neuropsychiatric Hospital Akure who have come down with mental health problems are obviously associated with use of these different types of psychoactive substances.
The call from experts around the world is a deliberate and continued advocacy to disabuse the mind of those caught in the web of drug abuse, particularly the youth population. Joy Pius, OSRC News.